Thanks for taking the time to look at my short video clip. My name's Jon Dexter. This is Dexters of Leicester. We're easy to find on the main Melton Road. We've tracked down the 2014. It is the facelift. Has got the black Dakota leather. It's in Alpine white, just over 70,000 miles. Two previous owners. Got BMW with service history to start off with. That's on the car. We're just checking for independent servicing, which is after that. We've got the widescreen pro navigation, all the sensors, all the parking sensors, the cruise control, heated seats. It really is in good condition. Both sets of keys, tyres are in good shape, alloys are nice. So I hope you like the video. Let me show you around. It's a super sunny day in Leicester, one of the hottest around. There she is in the Alpine white, the facelift, 2014. No major stone chips or marks on the bonnet, and the screen's clear and the roof's clear as well. So down the side there, it really does look nice. Just a couple of little bits of touch up we're going to need on the alloy wheels, but those tyres are nice. And down the side, no dents or dings or scratches, nothing to put you off at all really. That really does look pretty good. Take you all the way around there. Let's just pop the boot. We've got the remote boot on these, and up it goes. It's got a nice carpet in. I had a hard life. Parcel shelf, parcel blinds there, rear parking sensors, and that one touch rear boot. Really nice. Let's just show you through the inside. That leather really does look nice. No major scuffs, no major marks. It's not been down the tip. It's not had a tip run with the bushes thrown in, the garden refuge. And it looks like the kids have, nobody's battered the backs of the seats. So that's nice. And down into the cockpit. It really does look in pretty neat condition. Let's just show you through this side. And that looks nice. Driver's seat looks good. As I say, we've got the widescreen navigation there, BMW iDrive, Professional, heated seats, 8-speed auto. We've got the sports, cruise, push button start. Really is nice. So I hope you like the quick tour. It really does look good. I've got the X4 in Alpine white behind it there. Got some more of the BMs, the M Sports, and we've got the Tesla in as well. So, but the star of the show, 2014. Thanks for looking.